We interrupt this program for this civil danger warning. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this message. Several superstores and shopping centers with new updated merchandise on shelves regarding the Disney Pixar Cars and Planes Mattel die-casts have caused several Cars and Planes fans to participate in mass rioting. Several cities in the states of California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Utah, Arizona, Alaska, and Hawaii have endured mass rioting with super extremely nasty attitudes, resulting in heavy theft, damage to property, delay of mass transportation, and some injuries. These people want all stores including Walmart, Target, and Toys R Us to restock their shelves in the Pixar Cars and Planes Mattel die-cast department. At this time all citizens are advised to take cover indoors immediately and do not go outside. Please lock all doors and windows and to hide all of your Cars and Planes toys. These protesters aren't safe and dangerous because they are throwing super nasty tantrums. Police are trying to get this riot under control, but several attempts to stop them so far have failed. The National Guard has been dispatched to assist with riot control. Citizens are requested to stay inside to not panic. Those caught participating in this riot will be arrested under the fullest extent of the law by order of the United States government. Anyone hearing this message are advised that all stores that are not in the riot zone are closed as a precautionary measure. Oh no, I can't hear them rioting outside our office. We better get out of here and move my Cars and Planes toys to a safe place. Get down, nobody panic. Keep away from me and my stuff and leave them alone. Hear them rioting outside our office. We better get out of here and move my Cars and Planes toys to a safe place. Get down, nobody panic.